हेलो गाइस। भाई लिंक्डइन तो बड़े लोग यूज करते हैं ना। लिंक्डइन में बनाऊं कैसे, क्रिएट कैसे करूं, ग्रो कैसे करूं, कौन हेल्प करेगा मेरी? Hello guys, welcome to Learn with KD. You're listening to Kaushal Daftari. I'll be answering to all of these questions in this one single video. Let me break this down for you: how to create a LinkedIn profile, why to create a LinkedIn profile, and who will help you to do everything. So I will not waste much of your time, but this is the need for the hour. This is something which is required for any student who's either pursuing a professional course or just going to college. This is a mandate. Let me break this down for you in very simple steps. There are three questions which I will be personally answering to you. First is why. The you need to know the why, how of every question, of everything you do. If your why and how are clear, then you are, I mean, 90% sorted in your life. So why do you want to create a LinkedIn profile? What will happen if you do one? Second, how? Who will help me? How do I do it? Like, I don't know anything about LinkedIn. I have never heard of posting and what happens after that. Okay. And who will help me do everything step by step? Hi guys, don't worry. I have got you covered. I will break this down. Listen to me very carefully. Now, why? I have prepared a pointer where I will be explaining what I have personally done to grow my LinkedIn from zero to almost 5,000 followers now, and I'm very grateful for each one of you, because the love which you are showing on the LinkedIn is immense. Like, I post something, there are people who genuinely read it and comment. So that is one factor with which I believe my why is clear. Because मैं पोस्ट कर रहा हूँ तो कोई सुन रहा है उसको, कोई देख रहा है, कोई पढ़ रहा है. So I am half the way satisfied for that. Second, your social presence, your personal branding, your your networking, all these three happen in just one profile if you create, which has to be organized perfect. It need not be 100% 10% perfect, but yeah, I will try my level best to help you create one. Third one, massive database. LinkedIn is about database is the new generation's need. What is Elon Musk doing right now? He is the world's richest, most powerful, most influential person researching still on data. And that is something which LinkedIn can provide you. And that is something which I can help you with. So that is one thing which is very relevant of today and future as well. Third is lead generation, placement, recruiters. All of these guys are here. Understand? If you post anything on LinkedIn, that is mostly viewed by somebody who you don't know. If you have a public account, for say me, if I make a post, if I shoot a video, if I write a blog, if I write an article on any topic, not only me or my followers, there are thousands of persons who are doing it, who are reading my uh, posts, who are reaching out to me based on these writings which I write. I have myself kind of connected with people who I don't know are from various other fields, like somebody who's a nutritionist, somebody who's not even my field, have connected with me saying that, oh boss, your article is superb. So that happens when you have a good LinkedIn profile. Now, coming on to how is very important. How do I create one profile with which I can generate these many leads? I'll tell you how. Your profile is like your biodata. Your profile is like your biodata. You need to make it so powerful that if some recruiter, some CEO, some founder, some startup owner views your page, he has to retain it in your mind. You visit my profile someday, you have to have a professional photo. You don't need to have like shooting and all, but you need to have a good decent photo where you're looking straight and your face is visible. You don't need to put that mirror selfie wala photo. That is not acceptable. It is a professional platform. You need a professional photo. You don't need to be tie suit and all of those. You don't require that. You need a good photo where you are visible, your face is visible, and there is no mask and all. Because I have personally viewed profiles where there are people wearing mask and shooting, and they're like, that's my profile. No, how will I come to know that it's you? So one profile with a neat clean photo, with a description which is very, very, very important. What are you doing? Are you a student? Are you a recruiter? Are you a business owner? What are you? How will I know? Why will I reach out to you? So that is very important. Basic understanding, you got it. Now coming on to whether I should have a private account or a public account. So I would personally recommend you to go with a public account, because why? The point, whole point, the why of LinkedIn is to get connections, build network, to get data, all of those. That will happen only when you have a public account. Private account, what you will share your progress, your future updates with the ones who are already in your circle. That actually does not make sense. So make a public account as per my my opinion. Followers and impressions. So this platform does not basically works on number of likes and all. It, I mean, does, but the main game is impressions over here. So you need to focus on how many impressions does your post gather, create. Followers is important in this platform because not many were there in this LinkedIn game until back 2010, when it was probably launched somewhere around that time, I'm not sure. But right now there are influencers who are genuinely making money out of LinkedIn.
Oh yeah.
Genuine money. LinkedIn offers you, if you are a good creator, a handsome amount if you reach their benchmarks. I will teach you how. So how it works, repost is there. There are n number of options which are there, which I will be covering myself. That is known as the KD's roadmap. So KD is me, Kaushal the And if you watched the video until here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, guys, because that doesn't require money and all. So you can just do it out of love, affection, and good content. Next, my experiences, I'll be sharing the growth rate metrics, which I personally have scaled my LinkedIn. I've been close to 5,000. Probably this month, and I'll be touching 5,000. I'm 4,950 ish or something on those lines. I have followers. So that is something which I genuinely am grateful for. So that I will teach you how do you gain followers. Then my audience, my retention rate, my personal guide as to how to do things will be shared in a separate video, because I don't want to keep this long. This video is supposed to be short so that you don't end up losing much of your time. So keeping it short, crisp, and giving you all the insights which I have personally felt through 5 years of LinkedIn. I started my LinkedIn when I was in 10th end and 11th starting, and now currently probably I'm not that grown, not that great, but I have decoded few factors which probably might help you in the initial stages of growing. So I've been in this game since quite a time now. I have been posting consistently. I've made long format videos of me saying this, so I know what format works there. Not just I write blogs and articles. I also speak, because that is something which I can do. I have that potential. I know that. So you can try that. I will guide you as to how, what, and where can you find all of these resources. So if you want that, please comment DM, because how will I know that you really genuinely want this from my side? If you want it, I will prepare an entire slideshow, entire presentation as to how to do it. But only if you are interested, only if you subscribe, only if you comment that yes bro, I want it. KD, please put this down, let's make a video on this. I want to know your experiences. What have you gained from this personally? How connections have helped you personally? How I have met influential people because of just one post, because of which I generated genuine, what do you say, leads, feedbacks. I've been actually told that you should mold your post like that. So people do care about what you post, how you post, because it reaches that much amount of audience. I've been having more than 4,000, 5,000 impressions on my page. So that is a good number as per impression game. So that's about it. I mean, that is what I wanted to give you a basic understanding of why LinkedIn is important, how do you do it, and to share my personal experiences, that I will be definitely doing it on a separate video. If you guys comment and like and subscribe this video, let's aim for around 50 likes at least. That to me, I mean, we can do. And we are currently at 25, 26 followers, subscribers. Let's reach a, a little bit more than that. I would not say the number, but if you feel that I might provide a little bit of insights to you, Please subscribe because I am also growing and so are you, and we want to do this together. And that's about it. Thank you. Wishing you all the luck. Happy Navratri. I am in this outfit today because we are going to go for Garba and all, and I had to shoot this. So it's that. So festival time. Enjoy, guys. You have a happy weekend and see you in the next video. Until then, let's learn together. This is Kaushal Lafri signing off. Bye bye.